If you sell books on Amazon, I need to tell you something, and it will be uncomfortable. You don't own your readers, you're renting them, and it takes one algorithm update, one rights complaint, or one mistake maybe you didn't even know you made, and everything you built is gone. But here's what nobody tells you about. There is one simple system that can fix this. And every six-figure self-publishers uses it, me as well. And most beginners, they ignore it until it's too late for them. So, I'm going to break this down in plain English. 3 things why email is the only thing you actually own. The exact free gift that turns books buyers into super fans. And the one Amazon rule that gets offers banned every single day, and how to avoid it. So stick with me. This is the stuff nobody told me when I started. So let's go. Oh, and wait, real quick. Last week, I kicked off a giveaway to celebrate hitting 1,000 subscribers. And I'm picking the winner at the end of this video. So don't click away too early. You might be the lucky one. So now let's start with the video. Okay, here is the truth about Amazon. When someone buys your book, you get paid. That's right. But you don't get their name, you don't get their email, and you don't even get a way to say thanks. And Amazon owns that relationship, not you. So when Amazon changes the rules, and as we know, they always do, your income can drop overnight. That means royalties cut, yes. Ad costs going up, yes. A category quietly disappearing, also yes. And there is nothing you can do about it. But email is different. When someone gives you their email, that's yours forever, right? And you can take that list to any other service, any other platform. And any algorithm changes, it doesn't matter. Amazon goes down tomorrow, it doesn't matter. So the connection is direct with the buyer. And you write an email, they read it, no middleman at all. That's super, right? And here is the part that really matters. Email subscribers buy, actually. They buy way more than social media followers. Because think about it. They raised their hand, they actively said, yes, send me more. That's why every successful offer you have ever heard of has a list. And it's not a coincidence. It's the difference between owning your own business or renting it out. But here's where most offers mess up really. They put subscribe to my newsletter at the back of their book and nobody signs up. And I wonder why. Because nobody wants more emails. So how do you actually get readers on the list? That's point 2 of this video, and it's the most important one. Okay, what's the actual solution here? You need to bribe them. Offers call it a reader magnet, and it's a free gift your readers get in exchange for their email. And the magnet you chose decides if your list grows fast or dies fast. So let's keep it simple. If you write fiction, for example, the strongest magnet is a prequel novel, right? A short story set before book 1, same world, same characters, or give them a deleted scene maybe. I don't know. You can decide here. An extended epilogue, for example, would be a good idea, or bonus chapters they can't get anywhere else. And if you write nonfiction, for example, give them a tool, a checklist, a template, a cheat sheet, a worksheet, whatever. So you decide. But it has to be something they can use today to get a real result. But here's the rule with that nobody follows. Your magnet has to match your book. So what does that mean? If you write romance and you give away a science fiction short story, you're going to build a list of people who don't want what you sell. They will maybe download the freebie. They will never buy a thing. Yeah. So that's the problem. You wasted your time here. So pick a magnet that screams, if you liked my book, you will love this. Same genre, same vibe, same promise. And think of it like this. Your book is the front door of your house, and your magnet is the welcome mat. They have to belong to the same house. Okay, you have got your magnet now. You're ready to put a link in your book. But, and this is a big but, listen carefully here. This is where offers get banned permanently. So let's make sure you don't. Okay, there is one problem with Amazon, and it's a big problem if you want to build an email list. They have a rule buried in their terms of service. You can't link to the web form that collects customer information. And read that again. You can't put a direct link to your sign up page inside your book. So, what do we do? The fix is actually very simple. You link to your own offer website instead. The offer website is not only give me your email, I give you this. It's a real, there in your offer website, there is the magnet, yes, but also with other stuff readers actually want. It may be your reading order or a blog post or an about page of yourself. That's the loophole. The link has to make your readers' life better, not just collect their email. And if your page only exists to grab data, Amazon flags it. And if your page genuinely helps the reader, you are safe here. And quick tip here, if you print paperbacks, add a QR code. Readers can't click on a paper, right? Don't make them type a URL. Make it one tap. Build a simple offer website. Add the magnet there, link to that page from your book, and you are safe. So your subscribers grow and Amazon stays happy. Okay, let's recap that because this is important. What did we say? Amazon owns your readers. An email list lets you own them back. And a reader magnet that matches your book is what gets people to sign up. And linking to your own website, not directly to a sign-up form, is what keeps you safe. Look, most offers learn this the hard way. I did, and many other offers also. They built for years on KDP, and one day something breaks, and they realize they have nothing to fall back on. So that's the problem with most of the offers right now. I read it everywhere, on Reddit, on YouTube, and everywhere. Don't be that offer. Build the list, start today. Even if you have only 10 readers, it doesn't matter. Start today. Because here is the truth. Algorithms change every day. Platforms come and go. But a reader who handed you their email and said, "Send me more," that reader is yours forever. Alrighty, now the fun part. As you know, I started a campaign for my 1000 subscribers special. And many of you did commented and wanted to win the prize. The prize is 1 year of premium abo for Publbee. The value sits around $700. So I have collected every name here. And most of them were from YouTube. And a couple of users also joined from Discord because I also posted there. Now I have a random name picker here. I will start it and then I will announce the winner. I will also comment in the video, comment to the one that has commented Publbee. So I will tell him that he won and that he can contact us through email or through Discord so I can give him his prize. Okay, now let's click pick random. Let's go. Ryan Reza 8924. You're the winner. Congratulations. So let's see if you are here. It's this one, right? Here we have him, Ryan Reza. You are the winner. You can either contact us through our email, or you can also join our Discord here. And you can contact us here, or if you want per email, you decide. And then I can explain you the next steps and give you your prize. So congratulations and thank you all for joining. And that's it for today, guys. And quick reminder here, as you maybe know, we have our own KDP tool called Publbee. And it is our all-in-one platform for Amazon KDP self-publishers. It replaces a bunch of expensive tools with one simple solution. We have our own keyword research tools, niche scouting tools, book optimization tools, auto-generated covers and A+ content, and even our own review center to help you get those important first reviews. And the best and magical part about it is you can try it completely for free for 7 days on our basic plan. No risk, just test all the tools and see if it's the right fit for you. And I can assure you it will be. So link is in the description below. If you use that link, you will also get 10% off of your first month. And we have also a free Discord server just for our subscribers, where we talk about KDP related stuff, answer your questions, share tips, and help each other grow. It's a real community of self-publishers. Definitely come join us there. The link is also in the description. And if this video helped you out, please hit a like button. It really helps this channel out. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and drop a comment below telling me what you want to see next. So see you in the next one.